for an adventure again?
Yes, always.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna go into the corn maze. So the first phase is supposed to take us 30 minutes, and the second phase of the maze is supposed to take between 45 to an hour. So let's see how fast we can get through.
I love the challenge. Corn maze is usually a giant puzzle in the middle of the cornfield that you have to walk through and find the way out. Every year, farmers come up with new patterns and designs for their labyrinths. Okay, what's next?
Phase 2.
Is it harder?
I hope so. This is the real stuff. The corn here is way taller. So that's a real maze actually. That was just a prep. Minutes, second phase.
Champions.
Champions of the maze.
Hi there. Still lost a little bit. Okay, so we did the second phase for the first time with the map, and now we're gonna try to go in blind, just to train our memory. Let's see how long it takes us. Usually, farmers provide you an aerial view of the field, which serves as a map and helps navigate. Going through the maze without a map is a bit harder, because there's so many turns and dead ends. It definitely makes the experience more fun, especially as you work together to figure out the right way through. We got lost a couple of times at the end, but managed to remember the route from our first walkthrough.
So now we are gonna try to find our perfect pumpkin. The one that's calling you.
The one and only.
Any luck yet?
Oh, that's a big one. I mean, there's a couple of good ones. We're trying to look for something round shape, but not too big and not too small, so that we can carry it, but also carve something out of it. Let me see.
Whoa, look at this one.
Oh, it's pretty. It's exactly what I was looking for. It's big enough, it's not too heavy, nice handle so that I can carry it. We got one.
Is it a match?
It is a match. Perfect match. We're gonna go find another one. Find another one. Okay. Now the challenge to carry it all the way back to the car and not drop it.